Catskills, George W. Bridge. I saw a couple of bikers, so I had to, like, you know, pass them really fast for no reason at all. Hopefully they'll catch up to me eventually. Maybe not. Seems like they're going local. They were squidding. Ooh, base is nice. It's a hot day. 80 degrees. 84 actually. Yep, they're there, I believe. That beaver is dipping too. Nice little send, not much talking. I totally was planning on chilling, but those bikes, you know, you see a bunch of bikes, something wakes up, something inside you awakens, and all of a sudden you want to send it. It's a feeling as old as time. Anyway, I'm going upstate to the Catskills for a whole week. That's right. This is my July vacation. Look at this. I don't really need to do any awful things. It's the civilized entrance onto the highway. Just chilling over here. Get in front of this Camry. I'm not really dipping, I'm just, you know, cruising. Cruising, cruising, cruising. Some state troopers here, there, and everywhere. Yeah, we're not sending it crazy today, we're just kind of taking it easy. Once I get to the back roads, it's going to be downright lovely. It's telling me it's going to take me 5 hours, which would be nice, but it'll take a little bit less. Just a little bit less. bike feels good. I'm supposed to do my Desmo service 2 days ago, but Bear Mountain did not have the parts in time, so a little bit unfortunate. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I have to pull over and readjust my bags once I get to Palisades. My bags are very light today, so they're not keeping shape. The top one at least is not. Slow down for the state trooper. I don't need any adventures today. Today is a adventure-free adventure. Nice and easy. Look, see? Folks are getting pulled over for speeding or whatever. So we're just gonna relax. Downright relax, baby. Oh, there's definitely cops. For certain. No need to send it. Them troopers don't play, baby. My buddy got pulled over yesterday as well by a state trooper. Didn't get a ticket, but still, you know, they're out there paying attention. NYPD is whatever, but state troopers, they don't care. They'll wrap you up, baby. They'll wrap you up. More cops. Speed up a little bit around here. Nice and chill. Yankee Stadium over here. Look at it in its full glory. Very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I forgot my head wrap. Oh, fuck. Oh, shika. My GoPro head strap. I wanted to take care of it. Something. Ooh, got a flat, my boy. Nice and peaceful today, this commute. Kind of dig it. Kind of like it. Kinda don't mind it. Let's see if there's any power on the bridge. Probably not. That was downright civilized. Downright civilized. Nice little commute. I respect it and appreciate it. Loudness. We'll stay here. Normally I'm in the right lane, but I'm a little bit to the left today, so it's okay. We'll relax. Can't really see who's behind me, so there we go. Lovely. Going somewhere, who knows. We'll just stay behind this Florida fella. Temperatures rising, 84. Excited to go upstate. It's gonna be a little cooler there. Ooh, mad cops on the bridge. What's happening today? There we go. Oof. Lovely. Lovely. Palisades is going to be nice. Going to be all in Palisades, that's for certain. Ooh, look at the city. Here we go. It's funny, I just cut off an hour of my destination time. This ride was supposed to take over 5 hours, and now it's only 3.5 hours, so downright nice little turn. And there we go. Now we're in Jersey, now we're on Palisades, now we tuck in. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.